Alright, sweeties. Time for a nap. Aww. Can we at least stay up for 4 minutes?
No.
3 minutes?
No. 16 minutes.
No! Go to sleep! You
morning.
I will go check on our grandmother. Grandma, you would not believe what dream I had. Grandma! Huh? Oh, she's not here. Guys! Grandma is missing!
What?
We gotta find her. But how? She is anywhere except for the inside. That's because she is not inside. I was trying to tell her my fun dream until she was not there.
Hello, friends. That's why our nature walk will be outside. Onward and onward. Operation Find Grandma is a go.
Do you found out a person that was wearing mustard yellow and her name is Grandma Heller and Holly. Grandma Holly, and she is wearing like she's 59? Sorry, no. But I think the hair salon found it. Ugh, we looked everywhere.
Hey, I have an idea. To find Grandma, we're going to have to go where every step we came from.
How are we going to do that?
All 10 of us can know where she is by going around the block. Somewhere that we just left out. When people said no to where Grandma went.
We'll find her easily if we do that. Well, she is at the Beauty Brill station.
Then let's go there. Come on.
15 minutes later.
Grandma! Oh, you little rascals caught me. How did you find me? Look back and you'll forget.
Oh yeah.